Hey guys, Carlos from the HID Factory, and today I got this Ford Mustang. What we did on this vehicle is actually the Emblem. So as you can see, it looks like a regular pony emblem. It's going to have the chrome. And what we did, we were able to actually turn it red. So with when your daytime running lights come on, or if you want it on a switch, or if you want to control via remote, we're able to do that. On the video, this might look a little bit orange. It's just a really powerful red. Also, like I said, we can make this color shift, so any color you want. We can make it, this customer wanted wired up to daytime running lights. We can run it to a switch, again, through your mobile phone, whatever have you. And again, guys, any kind of when it's off, you can kind of see that it'll look like a stock emblem. Nobody's gonna know the difference. Just at night or when you're driving around, that's when you see that difference. So if you guys have a Mustang, any other cars, check out our videos. If you're trying to look at something specific for your car, we have a bunch of videos online. Check us out on YouTube. Just scroll down, look through till you find your car, truck, ATV, boat, whatever have you. And again, especially on YouTube, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna put that link here on the left, bottom left. You'll see it now. It's a really small link. Click on it, subscribe. We're trying to get our subscription up, guys. The more people we can get to this, the more videos we can do, and we can start doing giveaways. So we're trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers right now. Help us out, guys. Thanks again.